In this video, we will show you how to assemble your GREENWORKS bike handle string trimmer. Warning: this video is not a substitute for reading the operator manual. For more detailed instructions and safety warnings, consult the operator manual provided. Let's get started. Unpacking. Cut the tape and open the box. Remove the packing material and any loose, unassembled parts. Carefully lift the string trimmer out of the box and set it on a level surface. The bike handle assembly is attached to the shaft with a wire. Be careful not to damage the wire. Inspect the unit and its parts to confirm that no damage has occurred. Keep the box and packing material until you have operated the product. Attach the guard. Remove the pre-installed bolt from the guard using the supplied Allen key. Place the guard on the shaft and slide the bracket into the ridge. Align the screw hole on the bracket with the screw hole on the guard. Reinstall the screw that you previously removed and tighten firmly. Attach the bike handle. Loosen and remove the knob and bolt holding the upper and lower support together. Place the lower support onto the shaft by aligning the grooves. Place the bike handle assembly into the channel on the lower support. Insert the hooks on the cap into the lower support. Reinstall the bolt and secure the handle with the knob. Be advised there are two sets of threads on the bolt. To engage the second set of threads, you will need to firmly push and turn at the same time to fully secure the handle. Attach the carabiner to one of the carrying ring slots on the drive shaft. Remove the tape protecting the cutoff blade and string trimmer line. Battery and charger. If you purchased a complete kit with battery and charger, these items can now be unpacked and set aside for later. For additional videos on how to maintain and operate your string trimmer, proceed to our YouTube page. Properly maintained, your GREENWORKS string trimmer will provide you with years of great service. If you have any difficulties or need replacement parts, contact us at greenworkstools.com.